Let's draw a beautiful face, step by step with easy method. First, specify eyes and lips area drawing by a line. We use the center line to define the outer parts of the eyes. Draw a line from the chin to the eye placement line to define the starting point of the eyes. Now start drawing the eyes by sketching a curved line for the upper eyelid. Follow the pattern same as me to complete eyes. This line helps you locate the position of the pupils. The eyebrows are usually positioned about 1 centimeter above the eyes and are aligned with them. To draw the nose, sketch a circle on the center line between the eyes line and the lip line. Then, draw 2 parentheses to shape the sides of the nose. And draw the nostrils below the circle. As you can see, drawing the lips becomes much easier using the guidelines you sketched. Now erase guidelines and start shading. First, shade the outline of the face, then move on to the details of the facial features. Always use the side of the pencil for shading, not the tip of the pencil. After shading with the pencil, use a soft brush to blend it. To shade the eyes, start from the outer corner of the eye and blend the shadow inward. When shading the pupil, make sure the top is darker and the bottom is lighter. This technique will make the eye appear more three-dimensional and realistic. Again, fade your shading with soft brush. We do the same steps for the other eye as we did for the left eye. Make sure the tip of your pencil is sharp when drawing the eyelashes. Also, make sure to draw the eyelashes in a sweeping, flipped motion. For the eyebrows, start by shading the entire eyebrow area lightly. And then fade it with soft brush. Now start from the end of the eyebrows and draw the eyebrow hairs in a flicked motion. Use a mechanical pencil to draw the thin eyebrow hairs. A key point in drawing the nose is shading. You should shade the sides of the nose to create a three-dimensional effect. Do not forget to fade your shading by soft brush. For shading the lips, start from the edges and gradually lighten the shade toward the center. Then fade it with blending stump. Draw the lip lines with a pencil. Add lighter areas with eraser. Finish your work by shading of the neck. Add the light reflection inside the eyes using a white gel pen. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and support me by liking and sharing this video.